much. Big up yourself and don't know 6 is real.
Yeah, man. Enough people don't understand still, I say it. Yeah, man. And them feel someone grow rough still. Thank God me pass the rest, you know. Man there. Live to see what I go on and can tell me what I go on to do. The day, yeah. Go in a book of my life, man. Just read it out, you see me? Yes, yes. You not take long, you not hard for do. Chapter 1, remember when me poor. Remember when my mommy used to sleep on the floor.
Don't run in here.
Couldn't take it no more. Make up my mind and go through the door. Chapter few, say me I go try a thing. Me and my brother take a phone and do dialing. Fear enemy.
GCP, 6 is real.
Anyway, boy, you dead. Man, bust on the face, make you dead. Kill a friend in the shop in the blue shirt. Hey boy, for you dead, for you dead. Hey, from the GCP lifestyle. You know take that. You know what? Pull it. This is real and if you know that. Pick up yourself, daddy. You know what I think? Yeah. Big up squash every time, I hear that. 6 is real.
And who can't hear them, what?
Fucking face. Real rich.
But a boy when me put on the blood clot nozzle. Bust it in a face, boy drop in a 6 is real. So send go call David. Jamal student just pull up in a the cabin them. Tell Daily so fi come for the body them. Be a 9-9, none of them nah bad again. Body deadly so tell me who fear again. All blood clot, be a foot make a chatty then.
When I'm in the place and a G-man, I take wheel off and get a plum plum. Send my boss alone go kill 3 man. German send the Ingram from England. Fight war physically and not just sing song. Friends and family I sink like quicksand. Boy yet bust like when I splash it's song.
Shut up fire man not allowed get low. Get low. Shut up your blood clot friend watch your dead slow. Dead slow. Family and relative, them a ball said I miss you. Sorry. Don't let go. When G-City run out, tell them me no play. Man run out with the AK. Anything at all when me see I get spray. Shot them up, boy.
How long now since I've been doing music?
For me know myself, I start doing music. That's me. Start recording 2013. Hear that?
What influence of you do music?
Things around me. Things are grow consider. Yeah, just like I leave and shake. See me some boy shake it. I put it in a song.
What your most popular song?
Now we have only popular song, but French show take off road right now. Hear that?
You are gaining tremendous buzz and popularity since you emerged as one of Mobile's top recording artists. What plan do you have for this new year to please your ever-growing fan base?
Well, you know, I only for plans you have done. Yeah. Be a new songs, be a new hits, you see me? Especially for ladies. Yeah. I work on only for project, you see me? Only for work and put in, so I don't know anything I can come out big.
How did you came up with your name Squash?
I want to know so that I want way back story. Name come up still by my little brother still, you see me? Yeah. That's why we used to name ourselves like Squash, Squad. You see me? My little brother drop out. I find that everybody does say Squash, you see me?
What is the name of your production company, record label?
You know that a Star Plus. Yeah man, big up that's it. Yeah that.
Are you working on any mixtape to release soon?
Well definitely, you know. Right now they're going. I'm dropping the next 2 weeks for now though.
Alright, what name my mixtape?
Oh you know a G-City mixtape? Yes.
Yo, in a realest way, you know, you have quite a few artists who they create a name for themselves in a Montego Bay. In a the realest way, how you set yourself apart from the rest of the artists who they emerge right now?
You know, I do my thing different than everybody. You see me? Yeah, my name, my clan, different than for everybody. You see me I say? Yeah. We do things different. My music them different. So 100% different than every artist. Yeah, G-City 6 is real. You understand? You're not taking me, you're not for squash music. So we're different than every artist.
Not the realest way. So you don't say you have a strong support for where you're based from?
Yes, definitely, man. Definitely, man. Yeah, man.
Not the realest way. Yeah, my personal song still a true story, you know, in the realest way. I believe that song that really, it does real. Bumbuckler, I mean, I have nothing more to say, it does real, that's it.
True story, man. Well, that's why you're for real. Like real. 6 is real.
You know, the
Don't
realest.
tell them already, man. Yeah, man.
You know, the realest way, you want to shout out somebody?
I don't know, you know. Big up all GC, yes, man. Big up all Mobile. Big up all of my link to them, I say GC. Big up all of my fans. Big up Father God first and foremost. Yeah. Big up all man. Jack, himself. Big up mommy. Yes, man. Big up everybody on the GC, man. You know what I think, man?
No, the realest way. It seems like it's a real father, because since you come here, your daughter just cling on to you in the realest way. How much children I get?
You know, one. Yeah, man. Same little girl, you know?
See?
Yes, man.
The realest way. Yo, what you want to say to your fans then?
Well, I just look out for Wally for new music. And this year, which is 2017, Wally for bad song, Wally for his song. And the girls them know in themselves. So I'm going to say, Wally for songs when they get wild. You know what I think of? Yes, pa.
Any upcoming events, performances, show booked?
Yeah, man, Wally for sure, man. Wally for sure. I don't remember some of them. Right now. But Wally for sure. I've got to check back in my book. You see me? Wally for things up on brain and out too. No. Wally for sure did them.
You know, the realest way.
Yes, man.
Yo, not only from Montego Bay, but in the realest way, music has spread far and wide due to people like Akam Entertainment and other YouTube publishers in the realest way. So you know your fan base has stretched far and wide, don't?
Yes,
so more you shout out to all of Jamaica, every region, you see it?
Yes, man. You know the thing go. Big up Akam Entertainment series, big up Bayern Music, big up Bobby 60, big up everybody. We have uploads, squash song on YouTube. We don't know what thing, we respect our manners, you see me? Enough love and enough strength. See that? Appreciate that, you see that? Yeah, man.
Not the realest way.
You don't know, you know. That the one. See me? Yeah, we have a hit song right now. Yeah.
You know, JCT music to your world. Squash there, big voice there. One a day. See it hit, man.
I don't know. What artist big fans? GCT artist.
I'm Judas 8. One a day, man. GCT.
I'll catch you pretty now. As I can see a squash attack. Make sure you subscribe, like and comment. Just Blake, channel, GCT said that. You hear that? Yes, pop. Oh, can't hear them have a fail.
6 is real. 6.
Oh, not that long. No hard for them. You know that GCT are we hot. And some boy if you know that too.
It don't take long. Real. I hit, man. Real. GCT for life until death.
GCT on the road. You know take long. You know hard for them. 6 is real.
What take some pussy? Man left them family son. GCT. Yes, we do the murder. The murder. The murder. Let me never kill you. We never heard of. Never heard of. Never heard of. Them not shot a fly. Tell me them a killer now make a butterfly. Only thing where them shot believe that a sky. Talk about them do crime too fucking lie. Them know me not talkative. Shut your fuck mouth, youth, if you want to live. No take disrespect, no forget harm, me not forgive. Man, I make a bag of dopey fresh, dopey on the fridge. When me touch the road, no one said the kell take ever overload. Make a boy run up, believe them they don't go and go tell a little gun back the fizzy don't call. Guess what? Me we do the murder. What the murder? Why murder? Tell me